wabarakatuh. With all due respect, good afternoon, my lecturer, senior and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lisnadia Nur Afifah, and IT 21303690. I'm a student at STPN majoring in the Foreign Affairs. On this happy occasion, I will deliver a speech about becoming an STPN cadet during the pandemic. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic that hit Indonesia in general had a major impact, especially on the survival of the community. Almost all sectors are feeling the impact of this pandemic, especially from the education sector. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed all aspects of life. All activities are carried out online due to our ban of leaving the house to break the chain of the spread of the virus that has claimed many victims. The concept of education has also changed. Previously, the teaching and learning process was carried out face-to-face. Now, using various social networking applications, online lectures are considered the right decision because it is beneficial to prevent the spread of COVID-19, as well as to maintain the health of lecturers and cadets from the virus. All teaching and learning activities such as discussion and presentation are strive to continue with various adjustments. For lectures, activities that are carried out offline, of course, they will follow the campus health protocol. Meanwhile, cadet and lecturer can prepare devices that can support teaching and learning activity for online lecture. Online lecture activities are carried out with several applications that provide face-to-face service in the form of audio and video, such as Zoom, Google Meet, and WhatsApp group. This activity is carried out with due regard to the effectiveness and achievement of the plain learning quality. While studying at STPN for 5 months, lectures were carried out online, having various positive and negative impacts. Various positive and negative impacts come from lectures that are conducted without face-to-face. The positive impact of online learning is being able to be more responsible and respecting time, because the cadet must be able to set the schedule independently, and if we are not disciplined with the schedule that has been determined, the consequence is that students will be left behind in the online lecture. Students can also look back at the lecture material being taught, because lecture usually distributes material in the form of module or PowerPoint that can be downloaded. While the negative impact of online lecture include many complaints coming from lecturer and cadet. Various problems arise such as uneven internet network, especially those from areas far from the reach of the internet. The material is not fully understood during online lecture because of the lack of interaction between lecturers and cadets. Not to mention the lecture materials, not all of which can be explained using online media, because it must be done practically in the field, so that while online it causes delayed practice. That's all my speech today. I hope it can be useful for all us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.